Guys, today I'm going to be reviewing about the Mamaearth Aloe Vera Gel. I actually really like this. So this apparently has vitamin E and it's pure aloe vera. It has no color, as you can see. It's completely clear. I've been using this for my skin. I've heard great stuff about it. You can use it for your skin, you can use it for your hair. Okay, so this hydrates, soothes and keeps your scalp really healthy. So just lately I just used this aloe vera gel. I mixed it in with some olive oil to give some more, moisture for my locks, and it was amazing. So I've been using this for a very long time now. I think it's about a month, and you can see that there's still a lot of quantity. Actually, there's a lot of gel that you get for the price that you're paying. So this is about 400 rupees, that is 399. And it's really good. So the amount that you get is 300 ml. That is great. All right, so there's no added colors. It's suitable for all skin types. It's paraben and silicone free, so that's like even much more better. And so how I apply the aloe vera gel is that first I'll cleanse, I'll tone, I'll put my serum. I put a vitamin C serum all over my face. Then I apply this lovely product here, and it hydrates my face. Okay, so I have oily skin, and this is actually a really good steel. This hydrates your face and it sinks into your skin. So I have certain dry patches over my skin, so this really helps in undertaking that. So, and the brand Mamaearth is actually plastic positive. They recycle more plastic than they use. So I think it's a fabulous brand. It's a new brand that's coming up. I really love it. It's my first product that I've used from Mamaearth, and I'm really pleased with it. So, and I'm excited to try more Mamaearth stuff.
So as you can see that the aloe vera gel is completely clear, and you can see that it completely soaks into my skin, giving my skin more of a glass, skin type feel.
So my recommendation for this product is that it's definitely a steal, and you should definitely go buy this, because you're paying for a lot of product and it lasts you a really long time. You just need a little bit, like a tiny squeeze, not even the whole squeeze, just a little bit of squeeze, and just a little bit of squeeze of the product, and just dot it all over your face and you're done. I would say you could even get away with using a moisturizer with this one for oily skin. Definitely a good one. Check this one out if you're looking for a lovely aloe vera gel to buy. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.